Järva, which is a new branch of the code schools, is starting, and it's super exciting. It has actually grown from the community, from the need of the community to have a school like this in my hometown and in the whole region, actually. Because if you picture Estonian map right now in front of you, then you have a school in Jõhvi and school starting in Võru. And now the school in Järva, which is located in the city of Paide, actually covers, half of the Estonia that actually is west from us, from the islands and the west part of Estonia. I think to create an opportunity to learn something that is necessary now and more in the near future and in the far future too, is important to keep those young and cool people also in Paide, because I myself believe that this region has something so much more, so high potential. But all those different pieces that there are, the local soccer team, the coding school and other pieces actually is the good soil for something great to grow out of.